Hi everyone, welcome to Pangia 2021. My name is Samina Zaidi. Originally I am from Pakistan. I have been living here in Fargo since 2010. I have been participated regularly in Pangia since 2014. Today I am going to present the traditional culture and colors of Pakistan. I hope you will like and enjoy it. Pakistan, Islamic Republic Pakistan. The name Pakistan means land of pure. Pakistan is divided into four provinces: Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Motto: Faith, Unity, and Discipline. Capital: Islamabad. Largest city: Karachi. National language: Urdu. Official languages: Urdu and English. Religion: Islam. Population: 207.77 million people. Independence Day 14th August 1947. Currency: Pakistani rupee. Pakistani flag. The green color symbolizes the Muslim majority in the country, while the white stripes stand for the religious minorities. The white crescent and the star represent progress and light. Pakistan's map. The country Pakistan is composed of four provinces: Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Wood carving. Pakistan's wood carving is famous all over the world. Beautiful hand carved wooden Ayatul Kursi wall hanging. Another beautiful hand carved wooden wall hanging with 99 names of Allah. Hand carved walnut wood collapsible basket or dry fruit basket. Beautiful piece of art, intricate carving that pulls up into two separate baskets. Truck art. Pakistan's truck art is very famous around the world. Truck art tray, truck art teacup, coasters, lantern, truck. Truck art is one of the prominent traditional techniques used to decorate vehicles such as trucks, lorries, rickshaws with poetic calligraphy. Rickshaw or tuk-tuk. Truck art tea kettle. Tea kettle is used to heat water only. Truck art coffee table. Pakistanis love tea where it is called chai. An evening tea time is such an important time of the day that many people enjoy tea. Hand embroidered ladies' purse, dupatta or long scarf. It is purely hand embroidered. The dupatta is used to display modesty. Hand embroidered ladies' bag. Cultural map of Pakistan. Pakistan is a country rich in culture. Shalwar Qameez is the national dress of Pakistan, is worn by men and women. Shalwar refers to loose trousers and Qameez refers to shirts. Hand embroidered blue shirt with white embroidery. Hand embroidered shirt. Pakistanis wear clothes ranging from exquisite colors and designs to various types of fabric such as silk, chiffon, and cotton, etc. Pakistani flag. Decorative hand fans. Bread basket changir. These bread baskets are made from straw by artisans. Traditional handmade pouches and purses. Handmade embroidered slippers. Ladies' tribal headband with jewels. Embroidered pouch. Embroidered trousers. Embroidery work can be found on each everyday item from clothes to purses. Traditional jewelry. Kundan necklace with earrings. Pakistani jewelry, silver and gold is used for jewelry with precious stones. The jewelry items include necklaces, rings, bracelets, earrings, etc. Bracelets, bangles. In Pakistan, colorful bangles are an essential part of the female identity and glass bangles are considered the prettiest. Kundan necklace with jhumkas, silver necklace with earrings and ring. A large variety of bangles are made from metal, stainless steel, glass and plastic. Traditional hand-embroidered woolen shawls, sequence embroidered maroon shawl, hand-embroidered red woolen shawl. Leather products. Pakistan is considered to be the hub of producing high quality leather and leather products. Gents wallet, keychain, long purse, khussa for women. It is made of leather in various colors. Women of Pakistan love to wear khussa shoes on casual or formal events. Peshawari chappal. Khussa comes in all colors and style, and these conventional shoes never get out of fashion. Ladies leather clutch, ladies handbag. These khussas are embellished with golden delicate work. Pakistani brass handicrafts. Brass candle stand, brass jewelry box, brass shoes, brass teapot with cups or aftaba, brass vase, brass elephant, brass dolphin. Brass is a highly diversified metal used extensively to create art pieces and sculptures. It can be forged or cast into almost any shape to get the end result. Hand embroidered coffee table covers, a set of 3. The handicrafts of Pakistan are particularly famous for the captivating embellishment, attractive colors, and beautiful texture. Hand embroidered traditional cushion covers, hand embroidered bed sheet with pillow covers. These have mirror work embroidery. These mirrors are used to decorate different things like clothing, wall hangings, bedding, cushion covers, and table runners, etc. Block print bed sheet with pillow covers. Hand embroidered bed sheet. Hand embroidered wall hanging. Traditional table runner. Pakistan is largely multilingual, multi-ethnic and multicultural. Thank you for watching.